Remember when your partner's touch sent a shiver of anticipation down your spine? For many, that spark fades over time. It's a slow drift, life gets busy, and passion quietly slips away. Suddenly, intimacy feels like a chore, not a joy. The emotional distance grows, and frustration settles in. You want to feel desire, but anxiety and discomfort, especially from vaginal dryness, get in the way. Excuses pile up, and you wonder, what's wrong with me? This struggle is incredibly common, caused by everything from hormonal changes to stress or menopause. But you don't have to just accept it. There's a way to gently bring your body back into alignment. Imagine a simple natural gel, designed by women, for women, that helps you reclaim passion in minutes. That solution exists. Let's talk about it. My journey felt isolating, like I was drifting through each day on autopilot. I often wondered if anyone else felt this way, or if I was the only one struggling in silence. After our second child, intimacy with my husband, Mark, changed in ways I never expected. The closeness we once shared seemed to fade, replaced by exhaustion and unspoken worries. Exhaustion and hormones made sex uncomfortable, and my body just didn't respond the way it used to. I felt disconnected from myself, and from Mark. We tried talking, hoping to bridge the gap, but the connection was missing. Our conversations felt heavy, and I worried we were growing apart. I felt like I was failing both of us, carrying guilt and frustration that I couldn't shake. It was hard not to blame myself. I tried everything I could think of: diet changes, exercise, and over-the-counter lubricants. I even researched supplements and read countless articles, but nothing brought back real desire or the spark I missed. Then, one late night on a mom's forum, I read about HerSolution Gel, a natural arousal gel, not just a lubricant. The women there described feeling truly alive again. Skeptical but hopeful, I ordered it. I figured I had nothing to lose, and maybe, just maybe, something to gain. The first night I used it, everything changed. I was surprised by how quickly I noticed a difference. It wasn't just moisture, it was warmth, tingling, and real sensation. For the first time in so long, I felt truly present in my own skin. For the first time in years, I felt my body wake up. I woke up the next morning feeling lighter, more hopeful, and genuinely excited for what was ahead. The desire and connection with Mark returned, stronger than ever. We laughed together again, and our intimacy felt natural and joyful. HerSolution Gel didn't just fix dryness. It reignited our passion and reminded us of the love we built our family on. I realized I wasn't alone, and there was hope for anyone struggling with intimacy. So many women share this journey, even if we don't always talk about it. Sometimes the right solution is simple and life-changing. It's about giving yourself permission to seek help and rediscover joy. If you're feeling disconnected, you don't have to settle. You deserve to feel good in your body and in your relationship. There's a way back to pleasure and closeness, and it starts with taking that first step. Let's explore how it works, and how it might help you rediscover yourself too. So, what exactly is HerSolution Gel? If you've ever wondered about ways to naturally enhance your intimate experiences, you're not alone. Many women are searching for safe, effective solutions that truly work. HerSolution Gel is a 100% natural, doctor-approved topical gel designed specifically to instantly enhance female pleasure and response. It's created with women's unique needs in mind, offering a gentle yet powerful approach to intimacy. Unlike typical lubricants that simply reduce friction, HerSolution Gel is crafted from a blend of botanical extracts that work to increase sensitivity, boost your body's natural lubrication, and make every intimate moment more satisfying and enjoyable. There are no harsh chemicals, no artificial fragrances, and no stickiness. Just a warm, tingling sensation that brings blood flow to the clitoris, amplifies arousal, and helps you feel more connected to your body. HerSolution Gel is designed to work with your body's natural processes, not just mask symptoms. It supports your body's own ability to respond, so you can feel confident and comfortable. When your body responds naturally, your mind can finally relax and fully enjoy the moment, letting go of stress or distractions. HerSolution Gel is more than just a product. It's an invitation to rediscover pleasure, embrace your desires, and take control of your sexual experience with confidence. It works in just minutes, putting you in the driver's seat and allowing you to enjoy intimacy on your own terms, whenever you choose. For any woman ready to stop settling for less and start prioritizing her own pleasure, HerSolution Gel is a simple, effective solution. It's pleasure, bottled, ready whenever you are. Let's take a closer look at how the natural ingredients inside HerSolution Gel make all of this possible. The secret is in the all-natural formula. L-arginine, a key ingredient, boosts blood flow to the clitoris, creating that warm, tingling sensation and encouraging natural lubrication. Aloe vera, olive squalene, and shea butter deeply hydrate and soothe, eliminating dryness and discomfort. A touch of menthol gently heightens sensitivity, making every touch more electric. Triethanolamine balances pH, keeping your body in harmony. The water-based formula is safe for sensitive skin, condoms, and toys. No stickiness, no residue. Every ingredient works together for a luxurious, effective experience. HerSolution Gel's biggest benefit? Instant, natural-feeling lubrication. Vaginal dryness can make intimacy painful, but this gel provides immediate, silky moisture. It's not just a surface fix. The active ingredients stimulate your body's own lubrication. Over time, your body remembers how to respond naturally. The result? Comfort, confidence, and freedom from anxiety. No more worrying about pain or hesitation, just pure enjoyment. When sex is comfortable, it becomes joyful again. The emotional impact is huge. Anticipation replaces dread, and desire returns. HerSolution Gel restores both physical comfort and emotional connection. It's a simple change that can transform your relationship. Beyond lubrication, HerSolution Gel heightens sensitivity and pleasure. The warm, tingling sensation brings your attention to your most sensitive areas, making every touch more intense. Increased blood flow and gentle nerve activation mean faster, fuller arousal. Orgasms become easier to reach and more powerful. Some women even experience multiple orgasms for the first time. It's about being present, engaged, and in control of your pleasure. The more you feel, the more you want, creating a cycle of desire and satisfaction. HerSolution Gel turns routine sex into thrilling exploration. The real power of HerSolution Gel is seen in the lives it's changed. Women who once felt alone, now rediscovering joy and connection. Every story is a reminder that you're not the only one facing these challenges. Take Sarah, 52, who struggled with painful intimacy during menopause. She felt isolated, unsure if things would ever improve, and worried her relationship would suffer. After trying the gel, she felt warmth and pleasure again. Like I was 30. For Sarah, it wasn't just about physical comfort. It was about regaining confidence and closeness with her partner. Jessica, 34, lost her libido after kids. She missed feeling playful and connected, and worried she'd never get that spark back. The gel's tingling sensation woke her body up, and she started initiating sex for the first time in years. Jessica felt like herself again, more alive, more present, and more in tune with her desires. Maria, 45, felt her long-term relationship had lost its spark. She worried that passion was gone for good, and that intimacy would always feel routine. Using the gel, she became more responsive, and her orgasms were intense. Her partner noticed the difference immediately. Their connection deepened, and laughter returned to their bedroom. These stories show you're not alone. So many women face similar struggles, and there's no shame in seeking support or solutions. Women from all walks of life have rediscovered passion and connection. Whether you're in your 30s, 50s, or beyond, you deserve to feel fulfilled. The common thread? A disconnect between desire and physical response, solved with a simple, natural solution. HerSolution Gel bridges that gap gently and effectively. Their transformations prove a vibrant sex life is possible at any age. It's never too late to reclaim your pleasure and confidence. You don't have to settle for less. You have the right to feel good in your body and in your relationships. A small change can make a world of difference. Sometimes the first step is simply believing you deserve more. Join the community of women who've reclaimed their pleasure. You deserve it, and you're stronger than you think. Don't let embarrassment or isolation hold you back. Reach out, share your story, and know that support is always available. There's hope and there's help. You're part of a sisterhood that understands and uplifts. HerSolution Gel is changing lives every day. Yours could be next. Take the first step toward rediscovering your joy. Let's be honest, no product is perfect for everyone. The pros. HerSolution Gel is 100% natural, doctor-approved, and works within minutes. It's safe, effective, and comes with a 67-day money-back guarantee, completely risk-free. The cons? It's only available online, so you need to plan ahead. High demand can mean limited supply, so consider ordering extra if it works for you. A small number of women may be sensitive to certain botanicals, but the guarantee covers you. The trade-off for quality and authenticity is worth it. Most women experience wonderful results. It's about finding what works for your body. With nothing to lose, it's worth a try. You've heard the stories and the science. Now you're at a crossroads. You can keep feeling frustrated or take a simple step toward pleasure and connection. HerSolution Gel isn't just about better sex. It's about feeling alive and confident again. For a limited time, there's a special discount and free bonuses when you order from the official website. Free shipping, valuable gifts, and a 67-day money-back guarantee make it risk-free. Think about the cost of inaction, missed moments, lost connection. Your relationship and happiness are worth it. Take charge of your sexual health today. Click the link, choose your package, and your order ships discreetly. In days, you could experience the same transformation as thousands of women. Make today the day you reclaim your passion.